Ew.
I have a surprise for all the slackers, but nothing better to do than play games and surf the net all day. GameCom! Lay those bloodshot eyes on these babies! It speaks!
Let's rock.
Begs to be touched! Wires you to the internet! And it plays more games than you idiots have brain cells! Any questions? Does it play? Idiot! Next question!
How much does it cost?
That's ghetto!
Gamecom, the ultimate portable gaming system.
Guess who's back?
After a short vacation, Crash returns. This time, he'll have to fight his way through huge, all-new 3D environments. He'll fly with a jetpack, surf on a jetboard.
Yahoo!
He'll even have to avoid a stampeding polar bear. It's a good thing he's got new moves, because he'll face plenty of dangerous new obstacles. Crash is back, and he's better than ever.
Who's the man? I think we know who the man is.
PlayStation.
Behind every wall, around every turn, and inside every thought, you will discover nightmare creatures.
Plumbers, rabbits, mazes, monkeys, demons, dragons, good, evil, jungles, puzzles, barrels, bombs.
Stick it. Stick it in your pocket. Stick it.
Sweat, swim, run, panic, kick, scream, live.
Die.
Game Boy Pocket. Stick it.
Stick it in your pocket. Stick it. Stick it
In
your pocket.
Stick it.
Your computer's ringing.
It's my video phone.
Video phone.
With Intel video phone technology, talking face-to-face on your PC is easy.
Hi, Bob. Lisa, my brother Jim. Jim, my date, Lisa.
Hi.
Hi.
Oops. Jim.